everyone, we're going to do these 4 problems and determine whether the polygons are similar. If they are, we're going to write a similarity statement and find the scale factor. So we'll start with number 5, and if we look at our angles here, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE because our angles matched up. So A goes with F and B goes with D. If you just look at the little mark here, and C goes with E, that one. So that's your similarity statement, and they are similar because of the sides. So we can state that AB, let's write a similarity statement. AB, looking at here, should equal to FD, should equal BC to DE equals CA over EF. So let's write all that down. AB is 3. Let's see, I want to do a different color. 3. FD is 6. BC is 5. DE is 10. CA is 4. And EF is 8. And if you notice, all these are reduced to 1/2. So 1/2 is your scale factor. All right, the next one for 6. If you look at the angles, we have, let's start with G. So let's look at G. So G has 2 marks there. So G is going to be similar to K. And then H is similar to L. And I'm just going around this way. So let me erase that. All right. And then I is similar to M. And J is similar to N. All right. So those angles are congruent. So basically that means the angles are congruent. So therefore, what I can write is that a proportion is a proportionality statement. GH is 6. Well, let's just write it out first. So we're going to write GH to KL equals HI to LM equals IJ to MN. And don't forget your last one, these two, JG to NK. Now let's fill all that in. So GH is 6, and then we have 9, HI is 4, and to 6, then we have 6, 4 to 6 again, and then we have 4 to 6 again. Now all of these reduce to 2/3. So you could write all of these can reduce to 2/3. So 2/3 is your scale factor. All right, let's do the next one. For number 7, these are not similar. They're all right angles. So let's just look at 3 to 6, and if I'm turning this thing around here, does not equal 6 to 8. This is 1/2, and this would be 3/4. So this is not similar. And let's look at 8. All right. So if we look at the sides, we have the angles that are all congruent. So let's do the triangles here. Since it's a triangle, we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE because all the angles match up here. So let's test for the proportions. We're going to do AB divided by FD, then BD divided, BC, sorry. BC, DE, and then CA and EF. Now, if they're similar, they have the same scale factor. So let's fill everything else in. BC is 12, and DE is 12. This should have been 11. Sorry about that. And CA is 10, and EF is 10. So if you reduce all of these, you get 1 equals 1 equals 1. Therefore, 1 is your scale factor. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.